Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock a contact in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp, and if you still have this conversation in your history, for example, it could be in archived section, then let's open this chat and tap contact's name at the top of your screen. Now let's scroll all the way to the bottom and let's press this button unblock. But if there is this situation that you completely deleted the conversation from your inbox, or simply you cannot access this chat, then you'll need to open settings. Now let's go to privacy section, and now let's find here blocked list. You'll need to go to contacts, and here blocked contacts. Inside blocked contacts section, you need to tap on the person that you want to unblock, and let's press unblock button. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next video.